Hey guys, welcome back to DT Airsoft. It's been a while. I've been busy with football and finals. So now school's finally out just today. So I'm going to be uploading a lot more videos and edit them and post them for you guys. So today we are going to shoot this Ipod 4. This is a really old iPod. It's like my first phone. I wouldn't call it phone, but you know what I mean. And we got my CZP09 and my friend's Red Jacket RSKP. So yeah, we're gonna shoot this, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Alright guys, I'm switching my gun to my M4. You guys probably know what it is, the GNG. Cause the other gun, the auto, is not working. And I really want to use auto. So yeah. Oh, I have to wind it again. Let's try to shoot this camera right here. I'm gonna be out of BBs. Alright, if you guys actually got this far to the video, this is gonna be the bonus clip. Man, I love you, Captain America, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Hey, come back. Let's go. Okay, I'm out of BBs again. Oh, this is cool. There's like a plastic part to protect the case. Huh. Well, that's cool. Well, if you guys see the bonus without skipping through the video, thank you guys. Okay, bye.